You are going to love the 2003 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, chrome wheels, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.